Did you know Arduino can measure distance? With a tiny sensor like this, we can detect how far an object is. This is the HC-SR04 Ultrasonic Sensor. It sends a sound wave and waits for the echo to come back. For this simple project, we only need an Arduino, an ultrasonic sensor, and a few jumper wires. Now connect the sensor to the Arduino. Power and ground, then the trigger and echo pins. Next, upload the Arduino code that reads the echo signal and calculates the distance. Now open the serial monitor. When an object gets closer, Arduino calculates the distance instantly. The sensor keeps measuring the distance in real time. Pretty cool for such a small device. This is a simple beginner project to learn how ultrasonic sensors work with Arduino.